Have you ever looked at your phone and thought, this thing does everything except help me focus? Endless feeds, notifications, and apps competing for your attention when all you really want is better communication and productivity. That's exactly the problem that Click's Communicator is trying to solve. Instead of chasing bigger screens and more distractions, this phone goes in the opposite direction. Communication first, scrolling last. It brings back a physical keyboard, simplifies the software experience, and asks a bold question. What if your phone helped you get things done instead of stealing your time? The Click's Communicator is a compact Android smartphone built specifically for typing, messaging, and email. The standout feature is its tactile QWERTY keyboard with touch-sensitive keys that double as a trackpad for scrolling and navigation. There's also a dedicated side button for voice input, making quick replies and notes easier without tapping through menus. Despite the minimalist philosophy, this isn't outdated hardware. It runs Android 16, supports 5G, includes a 4.03-inch AMOLED display, and packs a modern 50-megapixel rear camera. It even keeps features most phones have abandoned, like a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. The result is a device that works well as a focused work phone, or even a primary phone for people who genuinely value typing and communication over entertainment. Pricing puts the Click's Communicator in interesting territory. The retail price sits around $499, but early reservations can bring that closer to $399, placing it firmly in the mid-range smartphone category. It won't compete with mainstream phones on raw specs or screen size, but that's not the point. This phone is for people who are done with doom scrolling and want a device that respects their attention. Overall, the Click's Communicator is a bold blend of nostalgia and modern functionality, and for productivity-focused users and keyboard lovers, it might be exactly what they've been waiting for. If this kind of communication-first phone fits your workflow, let me know in the comments. I'm curious whether you'd use this as a second device or ditch your current phone entirely.